Hello, my name is Mrs. English. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we will practice 200 sentences together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. You can pause the video anytime you need. Take your time and practice as many times as you want. Are you ready? Let's begin. School finishes at 3 o'clock. I walk home after school. My bag is very heavy. I feel tired today. The bus comes at 3:30. We wait at the bus stop. My friend lives near me. Do you walk home alone? I don't take the bus today. The weather is nice this afternoon. I arrive home at 4 o'clock. My mother is in the kitchen. She asks about my day. I had a good day today. We eat a small snack together. I like apples and juice. My brother eats cookies and milk. Do you have a snack too? I feel hungry after school. We sit at the kitchen table. I have homework to do tonight. My homework is math and English. I don't like math homework. English homework is more fun. I need my books and pencils. My desk is in my bedroom. The desk is next to the window. I sit down and start working. Do you do homework every day? I usually start at 5 o'clock. My sister plays in the garden. She doesn't have homework today. She is only 6 years old. I can hear her laughing outside. My dog runs around with her. They play with a red ball. The ball is very bouncy. Do you have a dog too? I want to play outside later. But first I finish my homework. My father comes home at 6 o'clock. He works in an office downtown. He always asks about school. I tell him about my classes. Today we learned about animals. My science teacher is very nice. We watched a video about lions. Lions live in Africa. Do you like science class? I think science is interesting. After homework, I have free time now. I can watch TV for 1 hour. My favorite show starts at 7 o'clock. It is a show about cooking. I don't like watching the news. My brother watches cartoons with me sometimes. We sit on the sofa together. Do you watch TV after school too? Some days I play video games instead. My parents say only 1 hour of screens. On Mondays, I go to piano lessons. The lessons start at 4:30. My teacher's name is Mrs. Wilson. She teaches me new songs every week. I practice piano for 30 minutes daily. Piano practice is after my homework time. I am learning a song about stars. The song is a little bit difficult. Do you play a musical instrument? I want to play guitar someday too. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I play soccer. Soccer practice is at the local park. Practice starts at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I wear my blue team uniform. There are 15 kids on my soccer team. Our coach is very funny and helpful. We run and kick the ball a lot. I don't score many goals yet, but I am getting better every week. Do you play any sports after school? Wednesday is my favorite day of the week. I don't have any activities on Wednesdays. I can relax and do what I want. Sometimes I read books in my room. I like adventure stories and animal books. The library is near my house. I go there every 2 weeks. I can borrow 5 books at one time. Do you like reading books too? Reading helps me learn new English words. My best friend Sarah lives on my street. She often comes to my house after school. We do our homework together in my room. It is more fun to study with a friend. We help each other with difficult questions. After homework, we play board games together. Our favorite game is about building cities. Sometimes we also draw pictures and color them. Do you have a best friend at school? Friends make every day much better and happier. On Fridays, I feel very happy because the weekend comes. My family usually goes out for dinner on Friday evenings. We go to different restaurants and try new foods. Last Friday, we ate pizza at an Italian restaurant. I ordered a pizza with cheese and vegetables on top. My little sister only likes pizza with just cheese. Do you go to restaurants with your family too? After dinner, we sometimes walk around the shopping center. I like to look at the toys and books. My parents don't buy something every time we go out. Some afternoons, I help my mother with cooking dinner. I wash the vegetables and put them on the counter. She teaches me how to make simple meals safely. Yesterday, we made chicken soup with rice and carrots. I stirred the soup while it was cooking slowly. Cooking together is fun and I learn new skills. My brother sets the table with plates and forks. We all eat dinner together at 7:30. Do you help your parents cook at home? I want to cook more dishes by myself someday. After dinner, I usually take a shower before bedtime. I brush my teeth for 2 full minutes every night. My mother checks that my teeth are clean. I put on my pajamas and get ready. Sometimes I talk to my grandmother on the phone. She lives in another city far from our house. She always asks me about school and my friends. I tell her about my day and what I learned. Do you call your grandparents often? I love talking to her because she tells funny stories. Before I sleep, I prepare everything for tomorrow. I pack my school bag with all my books. I check my homework is finished and inside the bag. I choose my clothes for the next school day. I put my water bottle and lunch box ready. My mother makes my lunch every morning early. Do you prepare your things the night before? Being ready helps me feel less worried about mornings. I also look at my schedule for tomorrow's activities. Good preparation makes the next day go more smoothly. On rainy afternoons, I cannot play outside at all. I stay inside and find other things to do. I might build things with my toy blocks. I also like doing jigsaw puzzles on rainy days. My favorite puzzle has 500 small pieces. It shows a beautiful picture of a beach. Puzzles take a long time, but they are relaxing. Do you like doing puzzles when it rains? Sometimes I also write stories in my notebook. I write about adventures and animals in different countries. My family has a pet cat named Whiskers. After school, I give him food and fresh water. He waits by the door when I come home. Whiskers likes to sleep on my bed in the afternoon. I brush his soft fur with a special cat brush. He purrs loudly when I pet him gently. Taking care of pets teaches me about responsibility. Do you have any pets at your home? I also clean his litter box 2 times every week. Pets need love and care every single day. Sometimes my parents take us to the park after school. The park has swings, slides, and a big climbing frame. I like to swing very high and feel the wind. My sister is scared of the tall slide. We usually stay at the park for about 1 hour. Many other children from our neighborhood play there too. I made some new friends at the park last summer. Do you go to the park near your house? Parks are great places to exercise and have fun. Fresh air and exercise make me feel good and healthy. On special days, I go to my friend's house. His mother picks us up from school in her car. We play video games and build things with plastic bricks. His house has a big backyard with a trampoline. Jumping on the trampoline is so much fun for us. We also make up games and play pretend adventures. His mom gives us fruit and crackers as snacks. Do you visit your friends' houses after school? I need to go home before dinner time always. My mother comes to pick me up at 6 o'clock. During winter, it gets dark very early in the afternoon. I must turn on the lights to do my homework. The days feel shorter when winter comes around. I wear warm clothes and drink hot chocolate after school. My mother makes the best hot chocolate with marshmallows. We sit by the window and watch the snow falling. Do you like winter or do you prefer summer? In winter, I spend more time inside my warm house. I miss playing outside until late in the evening, but I enjoy cozy afternoons with my family inside. My after-school routine helps me stay organized every day. I know what to do and when to do it. Having a routine makes me feel less stressed about things. I finish my responsibilities before I have fun time. My parents are proud when I manage my time well. Do you have a routine after school too? Good habits now will help me in the future. I am learning to be independent and responsible. After school time is important for learning and growing. I feel happy when I have a good afternoon. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.